Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to connect to videos on TikTok. To connect to videos on TikTok, we have two methods for you. Method 1 is using TikTok's built-in editor. Open TikTok and tap the plus or create button. Tap your recently captured photo or video in the lower right, then go to video section and choose the two videos you want to connect with. Tap next and arrange the clips in order. Tap edit in the right hand panel. Here, you can trim or reposition the videos. You can also add effects, text, or sounds if needed. Tap next, then pause to share your connected videos. Last method, using the stitch feature. Find a TikTok video you want to connect with. For example, on your TikTok account, tap the video of your choice and tap the three dot button. Choose stitch from the options. Choose up to 5 seconds of the original video to include. Tap next, then record or upload your second video. Hit the check button. Edit, add effects, then tap next and post to publish your video. These methods help you combine videos effortlessly on TikTok. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.